Everybody on YouTube right now is lying to you. They'll say unlimited AI videos, unlimited VEO access, generate forever for free. Then 2 prompts later, quota exceeded. So in this video, I'm not gonna waste your time with fake promises. I'm gonna show you a weird little Google experiment that they hid inside an app building experiment. Let me show you how to do it. First, open your browser and search for Opal Google. You'll see a website with Google experiments on it. That's the one you need to open. Now sign up first. Once you're in, you'll land on this dashboard. Tap on Create New. At first glance, this whole thing looks confusing because technically, this isn't even a normal AI video generator. So from this point on, watch carefully. Then tap Generate. After that, choose Agent, and now select VEO. This next part may be confusing, so watch carefully. You'll notice it says video generation has a daily limit. Don't worry, I have tested this, and Google currently allows around 5 to 10 videos per day, and each video is 8 seconds long. And the best part is that the limit resets every single day. So unless you're generating videos non-stop for hours, this is honestly like unlimited for most people. Now tap on Advanced Settings, change the model to VEO 3.1. Then choose your aspect ratio. Now paste your prompt here. I'm just using a random prompt I got from ChatGPT, and this part is easy to miss. To actually generate the video, look for this preview button and tap it. Now give it a few seconds. All right, the video is ready. Let's watch it. Honestly, that looks quite good for a random prompt. Now, if you want to save it, just tap Download File. And that's how you can use Google VEO 3.1 for free, legally, every single day. If this helped you, leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe.